Hey guys, I got right here a little chainsaw. You can use it with the right hand or left hand. This is a garden chainsaw, they call it. So let's see how it does. Wow, that's crazy. That was a left hand. I'm actually gonna get comfortable over here and let's see how well it's gonna chop it up. So if you need to trim up smaller twigs, no problem. Check this out. There's a bigger one. That is awesome. That's probably what it's actually made for right here. Beautiful, eats it fast. We're just starting off with small branches. We're gonna go with the bigger one in a little bit. Look at that. Easy. Okay, there is a bigger one. Those little twigs, no problem. Okay, and that's a thick one right here. Let's see how it does. That's probably the tiniest real chainsaw over here I ever used. That's awesome. Check this out. And then there's a bigger one. Crazy, right? It's so satisfying. Love it. Okay, have another branch. We're gonna cut the thicker end. Love it. Amazing. So fast. Okay, and what about like a fence post over here? It's kind of part of the garden. Almost too small. I think it kind of clogs up a little bit.